Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Ron's Keto Cafe, Chaffles for Life series, episode number 78. Today we're making these great tasting Chia Seeds Chaffle recipe. This recipe comes to you from the recipe book that I bought, 800 Recipes by Amy Delore, and I'll have a link below to show more. But on this particular recipe called for half a cup of chopped cheddar cheese, and it could be any cheese of your choice, but it's going to be shredded, and then 1 egg, and then 1 tablespoon of chia seed, and we mixed everything all together, and then we've got it going on mini dash. Now when you're dealing with chia seeds, just be careful because they do make a mess if you spill them, and what will happen is they're very hard to clean up. So if you get anything on your floor, you're going to have to use a sponge or something like that to get it off your floor. But these are really good. They pack a lot of protein, very healthy for you, especially if you're doing a ketogenic lifestyle. And then also on the chia seeds, what I'd done in the past is I had made a chia seed pudding there that came out really good. So what I'm going to do with the rest of these chia seeds is figure out what I can make with them for a couple more recipes. And we'll revisit the chia seed pudding, and maybe I'll put it up in the show more. And so you can, the link there, so you can just click it on and see what I made with the chia seeds. What I ended up doing was I ended up layering it there, as I recall, like a lasagna in a measuring cup, and I had a mug actually, and I put it in the refrigerator overnight, and it hardened up like a pudding. It was really good. I enjoyed it. You know, you got to kind of be a fan of these, actually like these, but I mean, you don't know unless you really try, right, guys? So yeah, this could continue on, and you know, again, I'm gonna just let the video play out the rest of the video. But these came out great. They tasted really great, and I would encourage you to just keep experimenting and trying like I've been doing. And I hope you've been enjoying these videos I've been putting up, and thank you for coming along my YouTube channel and my YouTube journey. We're definitely getting our weight back under control, and pressing on to 1 day at a time, 1 pound at a time. So have a great day, guys, and thanks for watching my channel.